Can someone explain how I can save up to 50% TNB bill for my business? The solar thing is too complicated for me. Hi, I'm Amelia, your Solana Tech Solar Engineer Consultant. Okay, let's assume your monthly TNB bill for your shop lot is 9,000. In the daytime, your solar system on your shop lot roof will generate about 30% to 40% of your business electricity, which is the same as 2,700 to 3,600 from self-consumption operational hours alone. But your solar system will still be generating electricity even though your shop lot isn't using as much electricity. For example, during weekends or non-peak hours, this not consumed electricity will be exported to the TNB grid and credited to the TNB account at the system marginal price rate, which is lower than the retail tariff. Let's assume your saving is 500 to 1,000 more from here. So by combining the saving of 2,700 to 3,600 direct saving and 500 to 1,000 additional saving from exporting excess solar energy, your total saving will be around 4,500 monthly. Now you can save 50% of your 9,000 TNB bills. But of course, it all depends on your solar system size, business consumption pattern, and the excess energy export back to the TNB grid. Solana Tech will help you design the best solar system for your business. Want to know more? WhatsApp or comment PM to talk with our solar consultant now. PM now to grab your promotion.